Is your expense management broken? Paper bills everywhere, Excel sheets with errors, written receipts, toggle between apps, calculate manually, chase approvals, update records, only for the admin to ask, why did we spend so much on supplies? And you have no idea because it's all scattered. We saw institutions struggling every day, so we built something better. Here's CoFee Expenses, expense management that actually works. Add expenses in seconds. See everything in one dashboard. Track by branch, category, or time period. And that's not all. Admins can verify, approve, or reject expenses. No more paper trails. No more Excel chaos. Just simple expense management. Best part? Perfect for multi-branch institutions. CoFee Expenses. From chaos to clarity. Available now for all CoFee users.